Need a free Photoshop alternative? Two of the biggest names are GIMP and Photopea, but they are very different. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you which one is actually worth using in 2026. Intro. Both GIMP and Photopea let you edit images for free, but they target different users. GIMP is a desktop application, while Photopea runs entirely on your web browser. Let's compare them in the areas that matter most. Ease of use. Photopea has a clear advantage for beginners. Its interface looks almost identical to Adobe Photoshop. So if you have ever used Photoshop or watched Photoshop tutorials, you will feel at home. GIMP has improved over the years, but its interface is still less intuitive. It takes more time to learn, especially if you are new to photo editing. Winner, Photopea. Features and editing power. For everyday editing, both can crop images, remove backgrounds, retouch photos, and work with layers, masks, and filters. But GIMP offers more advanced editing capabilities, supports plugins, custom scripts, and handles large projects better since everything runs locally on your computer. Photopea supports PSD files extremely well and even opens AI, XD, Sketch, PDF, and RAW files directly in your browser, making it excellent for compatibility. Winner, advanced editing, GIMP. File compatibility, Photopea. Performance. GIMP runs on your computer, so performance depends mostly on your hardware. It's generally faster for larger files and complex projects. Photopea depends on your browser and internet connection for loading. Although most editing happens locally after the app loads, it performs surprisingly well but can slow down with very large files. Winner, GIMP. Best use cases. Choose Photopea if you want a Photoshop-like experience. You need to edit PSD files quickly, you do not want to install software, and if you use different computers. Choose GIMP if you edit images regularly, if you need advanced tools and plugins, if you work with large projects, and if you prefer offline editing. Final verdict. If you are a beginner or just need quick edits, Photopea is the better choice. It's fast, familiar, and works right in your browser. If you are a power user looking for a completely free desktop editor with advanced capabilities, GIMP is still the stronger option. So which one would you choose, GIMP or Photopea? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you found this comparison helpful and useful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech comparisons and tutorials. Thanks for watching and goodbye.